Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a COGS account and add manual journals to it in Xero, so let's get started. Creating a COGS cost of goods sold account is essential for tracking the direct costs of your sales. First, navigate to the accounting menu and select Chart of Accounts, which is where you manage all your GL codes. Now, click the Add Account button, and in the Setup screen, set the account type to Direct Costs. This is the correct category for COGS, and then assign a unique code like 400 and a name like Cost of Goods Sold. Ensure the tax rate is set correctly, often GST-free or no GST, and save the new account. To record costs via a manual journal, go back to the accounting menu and select Manual Journals, then click New Journal. You must now enter a brief narration and the date for the journal, and then you will create 2 lines. The first line debits the COGS account you just created for the cost amount, and the second line credits the inventory or purchases account for the same amount, ensuring the total debits and credits match. Finally, review the entire entry and click Post to finalize the journal, officially recognizing the cost of the goods you sold. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.